Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you hints and ideas that how you can save gasoline and energy when you are driving with your car. And this is really like informative thing, and this is like now in this excellent Toyota Corolla hybrid car, but in your cars you might have similar things also, that you can save gasoline and environment when you use these informations. Okay, and normally when we are driving like in summer day, we install this our car in like coolest position, and this air condition also on. This is air condition on. And when we are using these settings, that we have this air condition on, and also this fan speed in max power in that area. Now we have this maximal fuel consume with our cooling system. If you use this air condition in here AC in that way, that light is on, and also this lowest temperature in inside area, and also fan is max speed, then this consumes about, I estimate that half liter more gasoline per 100 miles. This is like half quarter bigger gasoline consume, because this system needs about 2 horsepower or 1 kilowatts that it rotates that whole air condition system, and also fan this electric motor. And then if you like to save and consume less gasoline and energy, we can do a couple of hints. And first one is that I always recommend that air condition is off, because this part needs power, and power is gasoline consume or electric consume. And now when you turn off that part, then you can drive longer in like your electric Tesla car. And then second thing is that we have to install sometimes, if we have this eco button in here, we can install in here this economic, this it's on, but now it seems I have to install some. There is now eco. This eco means that this my cooling system makes really slow movements, and it is really slowly, and it don't react these things very fast. And this part makes this our fuel consume little bit lower, but best result is that if we install our this car's temperature about 20 Celsius, this is about like 65 Fahrenheit, and then we turn off firstly this air condition in that way, and then we turn off totally this our car's cooling and cabin temperature system, that we have only this one area. This is like this normal wind speed and wind movement when we are driving in forward, and here is best one when we install this arrow in our head, or then that there is this window in our selection. We can go to look a little bit closer, that we can see that what I am meaning. This is good, but this is my favorite, that air goes to my head, but there is no any electric consume if we set up that kind of things. And now only air goes in outside to inside, and there is no any cooling or warming system. And when we use these settings, then this is the most lowest fuel consume in our electric car and also in gasoline car. And this is the answer that how I can set up my this car's cooling and heating system so off that it consumes most less energy. Okay, and this is the setting level. Okay, and of course you can totally close all systems like in that way, but then our cabin areas becomes too wet and the humidity is too high and windows are foggy. And that's I keep this always like off, that no any only cabin inside area. We need fresh air in inside when we are driving. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend.